Where should you elope? It's one of the biggest decisions you'll make, and the answer isn't the same for everyone. The best destination depends on the experience you want, the mood, the atmosphere, and the way you want your wedding day to feel. So I suggest let's start with the vibe. Do you want your wedding to feel relaxed, adventurous, romantic, exclusive, or completely private? The setting plays a big role in shaping the mood for the day. Maybe you want a quiet, intimate escape, a private villa in Lake Como or a hidden vineyard in Tuscany. It might be the perfect match for you. Or do you want something more adventurous, like eloping in big surf, surrounded by the cliffs and the Pacific waves? Or possibly Sayulita, Mexico, where you can surf in the morning and celebrate at sunset. How about a laid-back, elegant atmosphere? Next, think about the season. Some destinations are beautiful year-round, like San Diego, Southern California, or Napa Valley. Others have peak seasons, like Italy is perfect in spring and fall, while Greece is stunning in late spring and autumn. It can be very hot in the summer, and it can be very touristy. Then next, consider travel and logistics. How far do you want to go? Will it be just the two of you, or will you have some guests joining you? Some locations like California's coast or Mexico's Punta Mita are easy to get to. Others, like Amalfi, Capri, the island of Capri, or Santorini, require more planning but offer an incredible experience if you have the time. For couples who want more than just the wedding day, choosing a destination rich in culture adds depth to the experience. Italy. Imagine saying your vows in a historic Renaissance villa, followed by a wine tasting in Tuscany, or a private dinner underneath the stars of the Amalfi coast or Capri. Mexico, in Punta Mita, you can have a sunset dinner on a white sandy beach, and margaritas, Sayulita, enjoying the town's surf meet boho energy, and then end the night with a mezcal tasting. Many couples nowadays choose an elopement destination or an intimate wedding where they can slow down, celebrate, and soak in the moment, which takes extra time. So whether it's a week in Tuscany, a beautiful private estate, or hopping between the Greek islands, your wedding can be more than just one day, and it should and can be an amazing experience. So where will your story begin? The best elopement destination is the one that feels right for you and your partner. If you need more help deciding, you can explore my curated list of locations, which is listed below, or you can reach out. We specialize in luxury elopements and have great connections to top venues around the world and vendors. And we handle the legwork from finding the perfect setting to coordinate all the details so you can focus on the experience. Let's find the perfect place for your intimate, memorable wedding. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.